Welcome to Edu Play Kids, Ho, where learning is fun, safe, and full of imagination.
A sunny morning in a cozy little garden.
Today, we're planting new flowers.
Can I help, Mom? No!
Of course. Let's garden together. Soft and steady, so seeds can breathe.
One seed, two seeds, three. Oops, too much?
Perfect. Now, a little water. Gentle circles. Feel the soil.
Whoa, too much!
Little sips help flowers grow.
Got it!
Weeds, long, thin leaves. Flowers, rounder, softer.
Is this a weed? Or a baby flower?
Together, they care for the garden. It takes patience, but it's worth it. A tidy garden can breathe.
Wow, it's beautiful. Wow, it's beautiful.
See? Care brings life.
I'll care for them every day.
Together, love helps gardens, and little helpers grow.
Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe for more adventures!